Welcome to TS24x7. Hi, this is Swati. Today we are going to discuss about some of the differences in concept of collection. Today we will talk about differences between array list and linked list. And the second difference is list and set. Let us first talk about array list and linked list. Let us first see some of the similarities between array list and linked list. Both array list and linked list implements list interface. And the second similarity between array list and linked list is it maintains order of the insertion. That is, it maintains insertion order. Other similarity is both are non-synchronized classes. Now we'll see differences between array list and linked list. Let us talk about first difference between array list and linked list. Array list internally uses dynamic array to store the elements. What is dynamic array? Dynamic array in the sense that it does not have predefined or fixed size. It is growable in nature, because of which array list is very flexible to store the elements. Whereas linked list internally uses double linked list to store the elements. Let us see second difference between array list and linked list. Manipulation with array list is low. Whereas manipulation with linked list is faster. Let us talk about why manipulation is low with array list. This is in the sense it internally uses array. If any element is removed from the array, all the bits are shifted in the memory, because of which manipulation becomes slower. Whereas why manipulation is faster in linked list? This is because it uses double linked list where no shifting of bits is required in the memory. Let us talk about another difference between array list and linked list. Array list can act as list only, whereas linked list can act as both a list and well as queue. Why array list can act as only list? This is in the sense because it implements only list interface. Whereas linked list implements list interface and DQ interface. Let us see another difference between linked list and array list. Array list is better for storing and accessing of the data. Whereas linked list is better for manipulations. Why? Because in array list we are internally using array, which in the sense it uses index, because of which we can easily access the data through index. Whereas in linked list, because of there is no bit shifting, manipulation becomes easier. Now let us talk about differences between list and set. Before talking about differences, first we'll see about Java has set class. What is Java has set class? Java has set class uses hash table to store the elements. It extends abstract set class and implements set interface. It stores only unique elements. Let us see differences between list and set. First we'll talk about list. List can store duplicate elements. Whereas set stores only unique elements. What is actually about duplicate elements? List can have an element 10. 10 element can be stored thrice, twice or many times. That is allowed in the list. This causes confusion or wastage of memory. Whereas set stores only unique elements. This is only the difference between list and set. This is all about difference between list and set and array list and linked list. Thank you.